Wharton Business Group LLC trimmed its position in General Motors Company, New York Stock Exchange GMM.U by 95.1% during the second quarter, according to its most recent 13F filing with the SEC. The fund owned 15,145 shares of the auto manufacturer's stock after selling 294,785 shares during the period. Wharton Business Group LLC's holdings in General Motors were worth $529,000 as of its most recent filing with the SEC. Other institutional investors and hedge funds have also recently made changes to their positions in the company. State of Alaska Department of Revenue bought a new position in General Motors in the first quarter valued at $103,000. Franklin Parlapiano Turner Welch LLC bought a new position in General Motors in the first quarter valued at $106,000. FNY Managed Accounts LLC bought a new position in General Motors in the first quarter valued at $107,000. Ffcm LLC boosted its position in General Motors by 2008.1% in the second quarter. Ffcm LLC now owns 3,373 shares of the auto manufacturer's stock valued at $120,000 after buying an additional 3,213 shares during the last quarter. Finally, SRS Capital Advisors Inc. boosted its position in shares of General Motors by 171.9% in the first quarter. SRS Capital Advisors Inc. now owns 5,160 shares of the auto manufacturer's stock worth $182,000 after purchasing an additional 3,262 shares during the last quarter. Hedge funds and other institutional investors own 72.21% of the company's stock.